What's going on YouTube? My name is Ty with xking.com. Hit you with another money-saving video. Now this video is titled the Pizza Hut hack. It's not really a Pizza Hut hack. It's a Pizza Hut. It's a way to order Pizza Hut and get cash back on certain apps. Okay, so Acorns. This is an Acorn app right here, and this is the one of the ways you can earn a good hack on Pizza Hut. And a short version of Acorns. Acorn is a robo investment app where you can round your spare change. So if you buy a Pizza Hut pizza, let's say you spend $20.75, Acorns will take a quarter, 25 cents, and make it even $22, make it an even number, and take the 25 cents and invest those into stocks for you. Very easy, nothing to do. All you have to do is link your debit card to Acorns and you're set. All right. So this could be a three-way hack. So Acorn has partnered with Pizza Hut. Now I didn't see this in the beginning. As you can see here, I bought Pizza Hut recently. I bought Pizza Hut. I got $1.57 back in my Acorns account just for buying pizza. I was gonna buy anyway. Okay. Now, there's two things about this. Not only am I gonna get $1.50 back into my account, I'm also gonna take that spare change. It was like 38 cents. So it's gonna round up to like what, 62 cents, 72 cents, and take that change and also put it in Acorn's account, and it'll make money for me. Okay, so that's just one way. I didn't know Pizza Hut was on here, but it is on here. But it's not highlighted in their partner groups. I didn't know that, but now I know that if you don't see Pizza Hut up here, Pizza Hut works because I got money back from Pizza Hut, and I don't see Pizza Hut up here. I don't see Pizza Hut up here as a partner, as a found money group, and it's not up here. But for some reason, I guess they partner with it and didn't tell no one, or they might have it up here. I didn't see it, but nonetheless, it works. Again, I didn't see Pizza Hut up here at all. I'll scroll through one more time. You can see all the partners they partner up with yourself if you want to. You can see who they partner up with. You get gas, Walgreens, Instacart, a lot of stuff up here. But again, I don't really see no Pizza Hut up here, but it is up here. So Acorns is the app. You link your debit card to Acorns. Use that same debit card to buy your pizza, and you get cash back into your Acorns account. Okay, and I see I use Groupons here a lot of Groupons, Sam's Club up here. So you could use, if you use Groupons a lot, you should be using the Acorns app. Okay, I'm getting back, stuff I bought on Groupons anyway. I'm getting money back. So that's just one hack, and the other hack is the Dosh app as well. The Dosh app also has Pizza Hut up here. So here's Pizza Hut. As you see, Papa John's, Pizza Hut, and I recently, if I click on, used Pizza Hut, and I got back $1.57 on Pizza Hut on the same day that I got Acorn. So that's a really good saving. So all you have to do with Dosh is link your debit card to it and just use your debit card like you normally would. Nothing different. Okay, so Dosh is free. Acorns costs $1 a month to use their service, but if you're in college, it's totally free. Is it worth it with Acorns for $1 a month? Yes, I'm saving money with Acorns. All right, save about $250 just on spare change that I would thrown away anyway. But you see through in Dosh, there are a lot of restaurants near my area that I can go to, use my debit card, and make sure you ran it as a credit card. So tell the waiter, hey, ran as credit, or when you're in the store, ran as credit, don't use a debit. But I got cash back on Dosh, and I got cash back on Pizza Hut. Okay, so and oh, I'm sorry, and on Acorn. So that's a Pizza Hut app. Now there's probably more apps out there that has Pizza Hut linked on it. So what I'm gonna do another follow-up video pretty soon, and I'm going to make another video and combine Acorns, Dosh, and a third, maybe a fourth app. Where I use Pizza Hut one time. I bought Pizza Hut for my son's birthday party. I had to buy a pizza anyway. I got some money back. So that's a good thing about these apps. You get money back. So that's the end of my video. So download Dosh. If you don't have Dosh, if you use my link below, I'll get $5 and you'll get a free $5. The same with Acorns. If you use my Acorns app, my Acorns link was below the video. I'll get $5 and you'll get $5. And also, once you download these apps, if you also subscribe someone to Dosh or get somebody on your link, you also get $5. So you'll make $5 and they'll make $5. So you're getting with my links, you're getting free money. Okay, so that's the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Kind of do these money hacks on a regular basis. I find things that people don't know about, and I make a video so people can know and they can start saving more money. So that's the end of my video. Thanks for watching, you guys. Any comments, questions, concerns about Acorns, about Dosh, how to do certain things, leave them in the comments below. I will be glad to help you. My name is Ty. Thanks for watching.